Hi guys, welcome to Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. And this is Crypto Updates, where we give you the headlines on what is making waves on our radar in the crypto space. And we all know a lot of news has been out there, and we're about to share that with you, talking about the headlines. First of all, Bitcoin remains calm in anticipation of Tuesday CPI release. We know those two important things will be coming out this week, and more other data will be coming out this week. Talking about the CPI, talking about the FOMC, and we have some PMI, and also that will be coming out later during this week, and you don't want to miss out on that. Crypto.com releases data to assure clients it owed one-to-one reserve. Binance proof of reserve raises red flags. I've said it on our show. You might want to check it out. I told you this proof of reserve by Binance is just a way to expose themselves, and people will start digging, and definitely they'll find something out of it. And we can see Binance suspend traders account after complaint on Twitter. Someone complained about his money being stolen by 3 comma, and the API was being hacked probably by 3 comma staff, and Binance denied it and said probably it's even the users that it's possible that it's the users that even stole their own API and trying to just exploit Binance, but it's not one, it's not two, it's not three people coming out to talk about that. And also, we can see right here that abnormal altcoin trading on Binance, just market behavior, says the CEO. I told you Binance is not sane, and we need to be careful. You can see abnormal altcoin trading happening on Binance, and the CEO just say it's just the market behavior. I don't think that is true. Uh, but speaking about all these people, we can see SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried wants to start a new business, officially added hearing witness. He's saying he wants to start a new business, probably is going to raise money to pay millions of customers that were affected through the FTX, US FTX International Alameda Research collapse that we saw some weeks ago. FTX Japan has until March 2023 to cease all operations. And I think we're going to see more of that coming out from other countries too. Crypto brokerage Falcon discloses it has funds stuck on FTX. A lot of these are sub companies or broker under this company that collapsed, and it's been a nightmare for them. Now, Gary Gensler must testify before Congress, says Rep. Tom Emma. And also, we can see former top SEC crypto regulator hired by Caroline Ellison. Caroline Ellison is the CEO of Alameda Research that collapsed alongside FTX US and FTX International. Also, we have a rumor that is some Bankman-Fried's girlfriend. They were into rumors and stuff like that. But that is another story. Bank of England opens application for proof of concept CBDC wallet. And speaking about country, Kazakhstan lawmaker passes new Bitcoin mining bills. And also, we can see for the first time on in a while, Tron USDD stablecoin falls to under 0.97, lowest since June. And we can see Terra co-founder Do Kwon hiding out in Serbia. So authorities says we don't know how true is this, but we're still gonna find out about that. And 3 has come out to deny that their staff did not steal anyone's API. We can see right here, 3 denies staff members stole API keys. I just think, or I feel like Binance need to be more transparent and need to come out for that. And speaking about NFT right now, lawsuit alleges Yuga Labs conspire with celebs like Justin Bieber to push bot API NFT. I told you, do not just dab into NFT project, because these celebrities, they got paid for any project they're shilling, and you do not want to follow them. Still speaking of NFT, popular Starbucks introduced coffee-themed NFTs on Polygon to better test it. That's what I have for you on Crypto Update today, talking about the headlines. I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and until I catch you on another wonderful update on crypto, please stay safe, stay out of trouble, and peace out for me.